Welcome to this AMSOIL tech tip. Now, you wouldn't take lug nuts off like that and throw them across the shop, would you? No, you have a strategy-based approach to every repair. I'm sure if you did it, you either put them on the lift, put them on the ground, put them in a hubcap, put them somewhere where you could put them back on the wheel. That would make all the sense in the world. So we're talking about strategy-based approach repairs, everything, and I can show you right here. It all starts on my chart right there, and you have to verify the customer's concern. You verify the customer's concern. If it's not broke, well, you can't fix it, so it has to be broke in the first place. Well, after that, you kind of follow the chart down. It gets to what's called a TSB. What's a TSB? Well, that's a technical service bulletin. You can see it right there. This gives you the cause, the correction, and everything that's going on. These are little quirks with the cars that maybe the manufacturer found. You can go in there and read this one. It talks about the 6.2 in the Cadillac. Talks about a little rattle down there that's going on in the engine, and then the fix is actually the tensioner, a new upgraded part. So that's pretty cool. Now we go back to that strategy-based repair. We checked our TSBs, we made sure that it was broken, and then we kind of strategize a plan. What do I mean by that? Well, think about the mirror on the right side is working, but the left side's not. Well, maybe you don't have to go down to the fuse because they're both fused together. It might just be the left mirror. That's where I'm gonna go to the service manual. That's where I'm gonna spend my time. Probably spend about half the time in the service manual as you will fixing the car. Now, after you do that, you got that whole plan together in the books, well, then you have to take the car out on a test drive. And when you take it out on a test drive, you're gonna verify that repair. That's huge. Make sure you drive them all, make sure you verify the repair. Len, when it comes to strategy-based diagnosis, I know you have a strategy based to all your repairs.
Did you lose this?
Yeah, I lost that. You know what? I didn't do a strategy-based repair probably like you do. You do one, don't you?
Absolutely. Any repair that I take on, I have a strategy-based approach to fixing it.
Absolutely. I mean, Len's the ultimate professional. But Len, AMSOIL has a strategic approach to all their products when they build them.
Yeah, we do. And there is quite a bit involved, but just to get on the surface of it, we come at these products very seriously. There's a couple ways we can do it. We can do a new-to-world product, which is basically something that we haven't done before. And that's what takes the longest. We'll start in the lab, generally speaking, and we'll build the product based on specs, or we'll build the product based on our database of knowledge. From there, we'll move to smaller, less consequential equipment where if we get it wrong and it breaks, it's not a big deal. Or we'll have several of them and we break some and we break others. We make adjustments from there. And it's an evolution of that product coming to the actual application that it belongs in. So that's the longest approach we take. Otherwise, there's like a line extension. Say we're going to add a new viscosity of a known series of product that we know works. At that point, we start right in the equipment. We make sure that it runs. We do a proof of performance, and we do those types of testing, applications.
Every repair has a strategic approach, including maintenance and service. And that strategic approach, well, it all starts at AMSOIL.com.